Our Sabbath morning prayer. Thank Aban, dear Lord. Aban, I thank you for my life and for all that you do for me. Aban, thank you for the work of my hands and for the divine health and strength you provide, so that I may carry out my work. Aban, you would ask us to remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy, and He tells us to rest on this day. Aban, on this rest day, I come before you in prayer to thank you for your mercies and the abundance in my life. I thank you, dear God, for my family and the friends you have blessed me with. Aban, I pray on these days seeking strength and renewal. Aban, please refresh my body and my soul. Grant me the strength I need to return to my work. Aban, I pray for wisdom. Guide my every step and teach me to do all things with excellence. Aban, bless all that I do, for without your blessings, all my efforts will be in vain. Aban, let this Sabbath day bring me renewal, restoration, and blessing. In sweetest name